In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Vivaldi browser on your Windows 10 or 11. So you just need to search for Vivaldi in any browser, and here you can see vivaldi.com. So you need to go to this link, and here you can see download Vivaldi option here. So you need to click on this button and it will download a exe file for Vivaldi browser. It will take a minute to download. And when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the exe file and it will open something like this. Here you can see. So we need to click here, accept and install. There you can see installing Vivaldi. And when Vivaldi installation is done, it will automatically open Vivaldi browser. So I'm just going to click here, continue. So it will tell you to give your email address, but for now I'm going to click on skip. So after that it will show you this. You can import browsing data from Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera or Opera GX, which is installed in my system. So over here I'm going to choose Microsoft Edge, then I'm going to click here import selected, then click on continue, then click here continue, and here you can choose the theme, which theme you want to use. So you can use the Vivaldi default theme. You can also use the dark theme as well. So I'll choose this theme, then click on continue. Then you can choose where those menu bar will appear, on the top or on the left side or on the right side or on the bottom. So I'm just going to keep it at the top, then click on continue, then click here start browsing, and you are all set. So right now let me just open another tab, and there you can see a few more things over here. You can just check those and you can browse anything you want. So yeah, this is how you can install and use Vivaldi browser on Windows. I hope this is useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.